Hi, I'm Janine Strawn and I'm the Director of Green Design Solutions. I design solar passively designed homes. And in this one, I'm going to show you my home, where it all started. I designed this home, I think 16 years ago. And at that stage, it only needed to be 4-star energy rating, but it certainly achieved 6-star energy rating, but it's also solar passively designed. So let's have a look at that now. So it was built 10 years ago. It's got 2 kilowatts of solar panels. It has double glazed windows right throughout and also sliding doors. Has solar hot water service system, which is evacuated tubes supported by a gas instantaneous heater. Exposed concrete slab on the ground floor, recycled timber flooring upstairs on the first floor, north facing living rooms in both downstairs and upstairs. The area is zoned, all the living areas are zoned, and also it has 15,000 litre rainwater tank as well. So, welcome to my home. I've got an upstairs living area, and also the entry is also upstairs, as you can see. I wanted to maximise my feeling of being up in the treetops for my home. We've got low maintenance colour bond at the top part of the cladding, and we've also got fibre cement sheet board right throughout the house because I'm in a bushfire prone area. So I had to, use fibre cement sheet was what was available at that particular point in time, 15 years ago. When we walk into the house, we've actually greeted immediately by a room, the window, which is on our north side. That north window lights up the stairwell that goes to the ground floor. Also, it has got a Verisol blind on it as well, which actually reflects 46% of the heat energy coming through any of the through the glazing, and also helps to re-radiate the heat back into the house as well. Got zoned living areas, as I said. This is the entry area here. We've got double doors that can be closed or left open depending on what we want to achieve. And this is in the living room. Immediately in front of us is again another large door, which is a cavity slider door going into the kitchen meals area. This is the kitchen meals area, and this has recycled timber flooring. I undertook an eco demolition on my property. I've owned the property for 27 years. And when I decided that I wanted to rebuild a new family home because it was not appropriate, the house was no longer appropriate for our needs, I decided to undertake an eco demolition. And as a result of that, I also was able to buy back some of the recycled timber from other demolitions that they'd undertaken. Mine wasn't suitable because it was a softwood and it shattered as it was being demolished. I've also got recycled myrtle timber as bench tops throughout here, and this area leads on to the deck. LED lights right throughout the house. The requirement more recently is 4 watts per square metre, and I was able to get it down to under 2 watts per square metre with really, really good lighting right throughout. I've got reverse cycle ceiling fans in all rooms. Here's an example of the recycled myrtle timber. As you can see it there as well. Here's the lounge room, one of the lounge rooms. It has a gas fireplace. It is a 5-star gas log fireplace, and it also is able to flue downstairs and take 15% of the heat from this downstairs into the ground floor of the house. The ensuite here is designed as a T-shaped, so it's got a privacy wall here where we've got a toilet on one side and the shower on the other side. Even, all of the windows, including the south windows, are all double glazed. Some people say, oh, you don't need to double glaze the south windows, That's not correct. The lower the U value, the better from an insulation perspective. So that's what we really want to achieve. This is the deck going out into the treetops. As you can see, it's a big entertaining area, and it's just really gorgeous to have the wildlife around us. My home has been open for Sustainable House Day for 6 years. I didn't open it last year, and obviously this year it's not opened up either. A lot of people who go through my house contact me afterwards to engage me to design their homes. This is downstairs. It's an exposed concrete slab. It's facing north. Even though we've got bushland all the way around us, you can still see that we've got a lot of sun coming through in the winter time. It comes in about 4 to 5 meters deep into the downstairs living area. Again, double glazed sliding doors. This is an example of what the aggregate looks like. So I was really blessed with, I think I was really blessed with the result. Didn't ask for any particular finish. It was just how it came out. So I really, really love it. Got a 15,000 litre rainwater tank plumbed to all toilets of the house and also for the veggie patches. This is the Room Gas Instantaneous 5-star system that supports the evacuated tubes on the roof for the solar hot water. Now, in some areas, my ceiling is 2.7 metres high, and even though I've got 900 millimetre eaves, I've got opposing skid-in roofs, and so in some areas, I needed to put awnings over the top of the windows to help provide shading for the hot summer sun. So that's an example of one of those. Recycled timber flooring all through upstairs. And reverse ceiling fans as well. So my home, as I said, when I designed it, it only needed to be 4-star thermal rating, but it achieved 6-star plus all of the solar passive design principles that go well above and beyond the regulation at that time, and also today, still 15 years later as well. So I'm pretty happy with it, really happy with it. And it's such a beautiful, comfortable home, and you know, you're out in the bush, so it's really lovely. If my designs are of interest to you, please feel free to give me a call. So Janine at Green Design Solutions. I design solar passive designed homes, both on grid and off grid. Thank you.